Theater has changed my life in so many ways that I wouldn't even know where to begin. I guess I could start socially. You know, before theater, I was a very timid child, very nervous all the time. However, once I got into acting, it was the gloves were off, per se. It was life was a lot easier. You know, navigating, being able to interact with my peers and connect with them, and you know, it gave me the confidence I needed to be to, you know, I would say reach my full potential socially. On an emotional aspect, theaters helped me to channel a lot of my emotions, and you know, and present them to the world without anyone really knowing. This is what I'm feeling. This is what I'm going through. I can take some dark memories and, you know, channel them at the right moments to, you know, create this phenomenal experience for the people watching. And for me on the inside, it's a huge dopamine release, because everything that I couldn't physically put into words, I took my emotions and put them into the playwright's words and made them my own. It's a life-changing experience to be an actor, to get the chance to perform, you know, in front of, whether it be 5 people, 1,000 people, it's, you know, it's all amazing. I've had performances, you know, that I specifically remember every single moment of, which were in a black box theater with 15 people. And then there's also one Broadway performance with thousands of people, and the energy and the love that I felt, both the satisfaction that I got from both were exactly the same. It's, you know, I think a lot of people think that acting is, you know, about kind of showing off or, you know, wanting to be a star, but, you know, for the people that really love it and really, you know, dive into it, who can do this for 10 hours a day, you know, rehearsals, dancing, acting, singing, memorizing scripts, and then, you know, as soon as one show is done, completely disregard that, go to another one. You know, it takes a special kind of commitment and passion to be able to do that, and I don't think anyone's going to do that for something they don't generally get an amazing feeling from, something that didn't change their life. You know, becoming an actor, I went on to be, just saying, met so many wonderful people. I honestly feel like if I did not go to Brooklyn High School of the Arts, I would have taken a completely different path in life. There were so many doors that were open for me. You know, you know, the amount of mentors that I still have to this day, the amount of people that I can reach out to in the theater world. You know, it was truly just a life-changing experience, getting the opportunity to become an actor. And I honestly am more passionate about acting than anything else in the world. So if I